Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add your location on WhatsApp status. First of all, you have to go to updates, in this case to load status. Okay, let me put a photo. Okay, and after that we have to go here in the sticker, in this sticker, and after that select location, and you will be able to put your location on your WhatsApp status. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any concerns or doubts, any doubts or whatever, you can put them out. You can put them out here in the comments, and subscribe, and also leave me a like, and see you next video, guys. Ciao, ciao.